Hello viewers and welcome to another episode for today. I'm William Abba and I'm here to give you detailed information about what is happening in the world at large. Heading to the news of today, which says, no immigration record of Nnamdi Kanu's departure. Kenyan government files document in courts. The Kenyan government has disclosed that there is no immigration record of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, departing the country after his arrival on 12th May 2021. It disclosed this in an affidavit drawn up and filed by the Kenyan Attorney General and deposed to in Nairobi, Kenya on 10th February 2022. In the affidavit, the government of Kenya attached Kanu's arrival and departure record from Kenya from 12th July 2019 to 12th May 2022 when he last entered the country. This latest fact was contained in a statement signed by Kanu's special counsel, Aloy Ejimako, and forwarded to Daily Post on Wednesday. Kanu was rearrested and repatriated from Kenya in June 2021. Upon his return to Kenya, the IPOB leader was arraigned before Justice Binta Nyako of an Abuja Federal High Court for charges bordering on terrorism. However, the statement said, in the latest affidavit filed by the Kenyan government in defense of the suit filed by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya, it asserted that there was no immigration record of Kanu's departure from Kenya after his last arrival on 12th May 2021. In the affidavit drawn up and filed by the Attorney General of Kenya and deposed to in Nairobi, Kenya on 10th February 2022, the government of Kenya attached Kanu's arrival and departure record from 17th July 2019 to 12th May 2022 when he last entered Kenya. Paragraph 12 of the affidavit stated that it is evident from the schedule below that since 17th of 7, 2019, the said Nnamdi Kanu has visited and departed Kenya on several occasions. Paragraph 13 of the affidavit states that from the above travel history, it is evident that his last arrival date was 12th of 5th, 2021, and there is no evidence exhibited to prove that he thereafter left the country. Paragraph 14 of the affidavit stated that I am not privy to his Kanu's arrest, detention, or extradition. Ejimako noted that Kanu's extraordinary retention was an indication of crime against the IPOB leader. It is pertinent to note that this affidavit, having been drawn up and filed by the Attorney General of Kenya, is the clearest official confirmation yet from the government of Kenya that what happened to Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya amount to a crime both in Nigeria, Kenya, and under international law. With this latest development, Kanu's audio in Kenya has turned a new corner where domestic and international criminal indictment will lie against the persons that directly or indirectly participated in this high crime. It has gone beyond extraordinary redemption, the statement added. Alright my people, that is it for the news. Well, we all know what they are doing to Nnamdi Kanu. From day one, everything is against humanity. They extradited him from Kenya and brought him to Nigeria without even the notice of the Kenyan government. What is all this? And they brought him here and keep on frustrating his life, put him in detention for months now. It's as if our government are even heartless because they don't even allow him change of clothing. They don't allow his family to visit him. They don't even allow his own lawyers to visit him. So how did they want him to feel in the detention? They only want him to be left alone, lonely there. Well, it's not gonna work for them because he hasn't done anything wrong. Sunday Igboho hasn't done anything wrong, so they should be released as soon as possible. Or face the wrath of God, because God is really watching whatever they are doing to him. And one day, there's a saying that says 99 days for the thief and 1 day for the owner. Well, I think 99 days is for our government. They should keep on doing whatever they're doing in this country. They should keep on enforcing their bad government and rules in this country. That 1 day will be for God. And he will really vindicate his people from all these heartless governments that are ruling us in this country. Well, my people, that is that for this. Heading to the other news, which says, Lagos indigens drag Buhari Sanwo Olu orders to court over appointment, employment. Now the news in details. Lagosians Advocacy Group (LAG) has dragged the Federal Character Commission (FCC) and 18 others before Justice Ambrose of a Federal High Court in Lagos. The group alleges continuous and deliberate violation of constitutional rights of Lagos indigens regarding appointment and employment into public offices and career positions. The suit was filed by 4 legal practitioners, Yakubu, Adeyemi, Shitu, and Aregbesola. Others are Chief Mohammed, Madam Titilayo, Benga for themselves and local government area. The defendants are President Muhammadu Buhari, Attorney General and Justice Minister Abubakar Malami, Nigerian Senate, Lagos Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Lagos Attorney General and House of Assembly. Others are the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, All Progressives Congress, APC, People's Democratic Party, PDP, Head of Service, Federation, Federal Civil Service Commission and Head of Service, Lagos. Lagos establishment sued as Civil Service Commission, Local Government Service Commission, House of Assembly Service Commission, Judicial Service Commission, Teaching Service Commission, and Health Service Commission. The plaintiffs were represented at today's hearing by Yakubu. The 5th, 7th, 13th, and 19th defendants were represented by Olamide Ibrahim. MS Sali represented the 8th defendant. Adeleke represented the 9th defendant. Yakubu told the court that the plaintiffs already filed their responses to the preliminary objections by the parties represented in court. The lawyer faulted defendants, claimed that the plaintiff had no locus standi to institute the lawsuit. He urged that Section 6 of the Constitution created a locus standi in matters relating to the provisions therein. Yakubu maintained that statutory enactments under it and the issue of sufficient interest required in ordinary cases are inapplicable. The counsel described the defendant's submission of non-compliance with the constitutional provisions of Section 13 and 14 under Chapter 2 of the Constitution as misconceived. Aside insisting that the plaintiffs have no locus standi, the defendant also contended that the suit was wrongly initiated by way of originating motions. Justice Ambrose, after listening to the submission of the parties, adjourned the matter to April 11, 2022. Alright, my people, that is it for the news. I think this will teach us a lesson and also give us reasons to know that Tinubu is not made for us. See what is happening at Lagos State. Look at the confusion that is set at Lagos State. Imagine, and then we want to give him the country, Nigeria, to rule. Then what are we expecting? If he can't rule even a state, talk more of the whole country. What is he going to do? He's going to make us suffer. He's going to starve us. Well, I think with all these things happening, we should think of a best candidate for the presidency come 2023, because if we eventually vote Tinubu for presidency, we are all doomed, because it won't affect the rich ones. It's the poor masses that are going to suffer for it. So we should know what to do. We should know how we're going to save our country in 2023. Bribing and corruption should stop, because I know most of our youths are being bribed at the polling unit, given 1,000 naira, 500 naira, and they choose to vote for a person that will put them under bondage for the next 4 years. Well, my people, that is that for today. We don't know your thoughts and opinion. We'd love you to share it with us at the comment section below. In case you haven't subscribed, we'd love you to do so. Please click on the subscribe button below and click on the bell by the side, so that whenever we drop our content, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thanks for staying tuned to this very last moment, and God bless.